Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about this program. It's a plugin for Lightroom called Fader. It allows you to reduce the effects of presets. So what you want to do is find a suitable photo, which is what I'm doing here. A recent shoot I did on the Gold Coast. I'm going to use this one here. So on the left here you can see I've got a bunch of presets here. So these are just some cheap ones, so I don't use too often. But as you can see, they're all pretty harsh, pretty full on. So what you want to do is go up the top here to Help, scroll down to Plugins, and the Fader. Now it does take a couple of seconds to open. This varies from 2 to 4 seconds. And then you want to find the preset that you want to use. I'm going to use this one. As you can see, it's pretty full on, very grown out, but you can use this slider to reduce the effects. So somewhere down here, probably around 50. Click OK, and there you can see a before and after. So it's a great little tool that I found. It is free to download. I'll do another one just to show you. This is the before. Here's the preset on 100%. I'll do it with this one here. See, very blown out. Go up to Help. Go down here and go to the Fader. Again, you got to wait 4 seconds for it to open. Find the preset that I was just looking at. Here it is. As you can see, very blown out, very bright. Just reduce it a bit. Probably a bit more. Oh, also, what you can do is you can bring it all the way up. So I've never wanted to do that or needed to, but it's an option. It's under here. So there's the before and after. So it just makes your presets a bit softer, a bit more usable, and a bit nicer to look at. So you want to go to Google, type in the Fader, type in the Fader for Lightroom, and it's on Capture Monkey website. So here's pretty much everything I've just run through with you guys. All the details there, and you just download here. Here's a few examples of shots that I've taken for this photo shoot and used Fader on. Obviously I've done other retouching too, but as you can see it does work, and it's free to download, so I recommend you give it a go. I don't use it all the time, but it's definitely very handy to have, that's for sure.